This is a USB magnetic mount night light, a wall light of an eagle, a sculpture. What we're going to do is open it up and display it and show you what it looks like. The Eagle Wall Light 600 lumens is nicely packaged. It has a remote control that you simply tail off the protective cover and remove the battery protector. On the remotes on and off, 1, 2, 3, and 4 hour of use with the replaceable CR2025 battery lithium cell. You have an instruction guide of the Bold Eagle Wall Light user manual, a USB-C to A cable, the ABS plastic and silicone rubber color Bold Eagle. When unpacking your Bold Eagle, turn around on the back of the unit will be one magnetic self-adhesive strip. An option to hook up via the keyholes with optional screws and anchors. On the top of the unit is your USB-C charging area and your on and off switch, white on white. For the first time, simply plug in your unit and allow it to charge. On the top of the unit is dimly lit in red. When it's completely charged, the LED will go out and turn green. This has a 4,000 milliamp battery with a 4-hour lifetime. The white is the sticker area that you're going to peel off and stick to the wall. Simply find a spot and stick your adhesive magnetic mount. And then take your eagle, simply line him up and center him and allow him to finish his charge and we'll light up the area. We are at 5.0 volts, 0.9 amps charging. 4 hours to fully charge the eagle. It turns to a green color. Simply disconnect, hang up on the wall, and set your eagle on to the amount of hours you like to have it on. In order to run your eagle, on the back of the eagle is an on and off switch. You need to turn it on in order to use the remote control. By simply holding the button down, the eagle lights with down light and wing lights. You can now turn off and on your eagle. The eagle will last on for so many hours. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 hour increments for a timer to shut off or leave the eagle on manually. The eagle runtime is 4+ hours, battery charge time 4 hours with an LED system of 8 LEDs inside and 2 additional LEDs for the feet. It is yellow, white, and a dark gray black eagle. It lights up with the wingspan on the wall about 4 feet distance by 2 feet. You have a nice wall light structure. I hope you enjoy your Bold Eagle wall light. Thank you for viewing.